Alright, this looks familiar, right? We talked about this in the last video, and we said that y can be thought of as sine theta, and x can be thought of as cosine theta. If that's the case, there's a relationship that's always true regardless of what theta is. And that is, if you take a look at this triangle, you'll see that if I take x squared plus y squared, I get 1 squared. The Pythagorean theorem, right? But if we think of this in terms of cosine and sine, instead we end up with what we call the Pythagorean identity. We get the fact that cosine theta squared plus the sine of theta squared equals 1 squared. Now, mathematicians get tired of writing cosine theta in the brackets squared, and so they use a shortcut. That cosine squared theta plus sine squared theta equals 1. And this is the Pythagorean identity. It's true no matter what angle you have. Give it a try. Grab your calculator, pick your favorite number, and type it in. On the calculator you'll type cosine of, I'll use 32, and then squared, plus the sine of 32 squared, and hit equals. You'll see that you get 1. This is called an identity. It's always true, regardless of what your angle is for theta. This is not something we can solve for theta. We can't take this equation and somehow find one single angle that makes this true, because any point on the unit circle will make this true.